The Scorpion and the Frog. Once upon a time, a scorpion lived in a dark cave near a mountain. He was not happy with his surroundings at all. One day, he came out of his cave and noticed that the valley across the river was very green. Suddenly, he saw a frog leaping around. He asked the frog, "Hello, Mr. Frog, would you carry me to the other side of the river?" The frog replied, "No, I will not. I do not trust scorpions." But the scorpion pleaded, "I do not know how to swim, so if I sting you on the way, I will also die." The frog was convinced and carried the scorpion across the river. Halfway through the journey, the scorpion stung the frog. "Why did you sting me? Now both of us will die," cried the frog. The shameless scorpion replied, "There is nothing I can do. This is my nature. One cannot change one's basic nature." And both of them got drowned in the water. The Parrot and the Guinea Pig. Bunny and Muggsy, two dogs, lived in a farm near a forest. One day, Bunny told Muggsy that he met a guinea pig named Bob near their farm. Muggsy wanted to meet him too. So both the dogs went to meet Bob, a small brown colored guinea pig. The two dogs played with a small red ball with Bob and had lots of fun. Then they walked back to their farm. When they got back home, they found Petty, the parrot, waiting for them. Bunny and Muggsy told him about Bob. Petty asked, "Do you think he would play with me?" Muggsy said, "Yes, why not?" Petty took his checkers and rushed to meet Bob. A few minutes later, he came back crying. "Bob does not like me. He is not interested in playing with my checkers." Muggsy laughed. "Guinea pigs do not play checkers. Try playing with a ball." Petty agreed and eagerly went to meet Bob again with a red ball. This time, he played with the red ball. Hold up the sky. Once, on a beautiful summer day, an elephant was wandering in the jungle. Suddenly, he stopped. He saw his friend, the hummingbird, lying on its back with its tiny feet up in the air. "Hello, friend. What are you doing?" asked the elephant. The hummingbird replied, "Hello, Mr. Elephant. I heard that the sky was going to fall. So to help, I am ready to hold it up when it falls." The elephant thought about this for a few minutes. Then he laughed aloud and said, "Oh, hummingbird, you are the tiniest bird in the world, and the sky is so big. Do you really think that those tiny feet could help hold up the sky?" The hummingbird still kept its feet up in the air and was quite determined to do so. It said to the elephant, "Not alone, dear friend, but I am ready to do my part. Each one must do what he can, and this is my part." The fastest hare. There was a small hare living in a burrow in a forest. When he was 4 months old, he told his mother that he wanted to run very fast. As the little hare grew up, he still longed to run fast. So he prayed to God every night to express his wish. Well, one day he started racing with other hares. They ran for a long distance, and one of the other hares came first. The little hare was very disheartened. That night, he saw a fire-breathing dragon in his dream who told him that he could win a race if he really tried hard. Next morning, the little hare got up and challenged the other hares again for a race. This time, the little hare tried his hardest. He caught up with the one running ahead of him, hurriedly ran past him, and crossed the finishing line. Finally, the little hare had won the race.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, Subscribe to Sahil Book House.